Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today we want to show you a double French braid that I pinned with bobby pins into a little bun. I'm sorry that you have not seen that much from us lately, but we are back now, so if you're new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the little bell here down below for not missing any new tutorial. Let's get started.
God, I almost left.
You did it!
Almost.
Almost! You're great. Let's go.
It's summertime, so we are starting this hairstyle with some hair oil. Therefore, just use some pumps and then I warm it up into my pulps and rinse it through, comb it through. And for this double French braid, I went with a middle parting. So split the hair in the middle. When you prepare this parting and you want it super neat, use some edge control. I'm using gel for the edges and then I'm correcting because my children have a lot of hair. So one sees immediately when on one side is a bit less hair. His left side I just pinned away, and this is the Eco Gel that I'm using. I should order a new one. And for tiny hairs I like to use, especially around the edges, an old toothbrush or a new toothbrush, just going around the edges. And then we are starting the braid by parting off a little section in a triangle shape. Split this little section into 3 equal strands, and now we are bringing the outer strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. And what I'm doing now here, because I wanted to start with very thin sections, I'm grabbing with my comb the additional hair and then bringing it over the middle. Have a look again. I'm taking the new hair, grab the strand, the right strand here, then I smooth it out both together and bring it over the middle strand. I place my fingers in the gaps of these 3 strands. I take new hair, smoothing it out, and then bring it over the middle to the center. Like this, you just keep on braiding until you reach the end. I can give you just one advice, especially at the beginning: take small sections for the hair that you are adding in, because like this the result looks more neat. I like to do it like this. And here I copy the shape of his hair where he has the undercut, so I have a bit round shape for the braid, and it's more or less in the middle of the section that I prepared. So we're just keeping braiding until there's no more hair to add in. When you're done with the thin sections, you can start to add in the hair with your fingers. For some it's easier. I like to do it with the comb at the very beginning. It's one way to do it. I don't do it for Dutch braids, though. I don't know why. Perhaps there's another way the hair is going to be added in. You see here that I take the tail from the comb. There are 1,000 ways to add in hair. Just make sure to add in the hair and to smooth the new section always out. That makes that the braid looks so nice and neat. When there is no more hair to add in, just finish with the normal 3-strand braid. If you reach the end, tie off with a little hair elastic, and that is the result for our first French braid. And I'm going to speed up now the other side because the steps are exactly the same. You section off a strand from the front in a triangle shape, split it into 3, and you always bring the outer strand over the middle. Then you add in hair after you did that once, and you just braid until the very end where you have no more hair to add in, and then braid down the normal. Here you see it from behind, the normal 3-strand braid. Make sure that you comb through from time to time, that also makes a neater result. And now we are going to pin these 2 braids into a bun. As my boy has an undercut, there is no hair where I can make hold the bobby pins with, so I'm actually folding the braids and then I stick them with the bobby pins together, and then make sure that you hide the ends because you don't want them to pop out later. And that is our final result. Double French braid for my boy in his beautiful hair, and everything pinned into a bun. Of course you can make a ponytail. We just wanted to have, because of the heat that we have here now right in Mallorca, to have everything away of his neck, and this is how we went with. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment what you would like to see, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Enjoy all your bloopers. Bye bye.
Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today we want to show you a double French braid that that is very funny, obviously. Let me do it again. Right. Okay. They will take years. Okay. Are you prepared? You silly boy. I'm sweating. It's so warm here. 31 degrees. I will look up how many Fahrenheit that is. How much in Fahrenheit? Come on, you're English correct. How do you say that? How much Fahrenheit or how much Fahrenheit? Okay.
The temperature, I mean.
I will tell you the temperature in Fahrenheit too. I'm sweating. So again, look into the camera, please. Come a bit closer. Sonst bist du abgeschnitten. Come a bit closer. Okay. Hi everybody.